At the source of luxury, everything begins with precision and control.
Every crocodile is raised under strict regulation and traceability.
Only flawless skins qualify for the luxury leather journey.
Scale alignment defines the value of exotic leather.
Harvesting follows ethical and industrial standards.
Stress-free handling preserves skin integrity.
Science and welfare guide every step. Controlled environments protect both workers and material.
Traceability defines modern exotic leather.
Authorization marks the transition to processing.
Precision tools ensure ethical execution.
Every detail is verified before continuation.
Protection begins even before removal.
The journey from farm to factory begins.
Raw origins move toward industrial transformation.
Transport begins under controlled industrial conditions.
Climate control preserves skin integrity in transit.
Stability prevents microscopic damage.
Every movement is digitally recorded.
Once sealed, the chain remains unbroken. Distance separates raw origin from refinement. Time and motion reshape raw value.
Conditions remain constant, mile after mile.
Human oversight complements automation.
Production timelines never pause.
Refinement awaits behind factory walls.
Access is granted only through verification.
Logistics synchronize with production. Arrival marks the next transformation phase.
The factory takes custody of luxurial's raw form.
Behind these walls, raw skins become rare luxury.
Precision begins at the moment of entry.
Environmental control is never compromised. Every step is logged and approved. Entry opens into controlled transformation. Movement remains measured and deliberate.
The factory environment takes over.
Clean entry protects high-value material.
Flow design eliminates delay and error.
Verification continues inside the walls. Standardization ensures seamless processing.
Movement is synchronized, never rushed.
Scale and order define modern craftsmanship.
The first transformation stage awaits.
Raw skins now meet industrial refinement.
Cleaning begins the moment material enters the line.
Surface impurities are stripped away first.
Human precision supports mechanical efficiency.
Balance between force and finesse is critical.
Cleanliness is layered, never rushed.
Moisture control prepares skins for evaluation. First judgments shape final value.
Perfection is measured scale by scale. Transparency guides downstream decisions. Uniformity begins with accurate sizing. Each grade follows its destined path.
Nothing is wasted in modern processing.
Only the finest move forward, untouched. Data secures consistency and traceability.
Clean skins are ready for transformation. Chemistry now defines the future of leather. Soaking restores balance and flexibility. Precision chemistry prevents irreversible damage.
Time replaces force in modern tanning. Excess chemicals are carefully removed. Science enhances natural strength. Flexibility is engineered, not forced.
Quality is checked long before completion.
Stability ensures longevity.
Even moisture prevents future distortion.
Preparation determines tanning success.
Uniform input creates uniform output. Recipes are guarded as closely as the skins.
Transformation is now irreversible. From this moment, raw skin becomes leather. Time and chemistry reshape the material forever.
Environment determines transformation quality.
Color is grown, not applied.
Synchronization ensures consistency.
Verification protects final quality.
Signature shades are infused at the core.
Technology guards visual perfection.
Patience defines luxury outcomes.
The transformation phase concludes.
Newly formed leather meets open air.
Touch reveals what machines cannot. Moisture is reduced without distortion.
Leather settles into its new form.
Stability is locked into the structure. Leather now enters the age of precision. Automation enhances what craftsmanship begins. Every millimeter is digitally understood.
Imperfections are planned around, not hidden. Preparation determines precision.
Accuracy protects valuable material. Design meets material intelligence. Precision replaces excess. Stability enables perfection. Automation handles delicacy with care.
Identity follows every piece.
Uniformity is constantly verified.
Digital twins guide physical output.
Order prepares for refinement.
Automation hands over to refinement. Precision sets the stage for elegance. Refinement begins where precision meets touch.
Clean edges define luxury silhouettes.
Human judgment confirms machine accuracy.
Edges receive protection and polish. Controlled heat locks in durability.
Texture is enhanced, never altered.
Subtlety defines high-end finish.
Touch remains the final authority.
Protection preserves beauty for decades.
Time perfects the finish. Identity is marked with restraint.
Preparation ensures flawless assembly. Nothing escapes the final glance. Assuage the final glance.
Harmony is intentionally selected.
Perfection now faces verificatio. Luxury is proven, not assumed.
Documentation safeguards reputation.
Detail exists beyond the naked eye. Strength ensures longevity.
Time is compressed into moments. Color must endure every condition.
Balance defines premium feel.
Safety is inseparable from quality.
Beauty is judged by trained eyes.
Consistency elevates craftsmanship.
Edges reveal true workmanship.
Approval marks readiness.
Standards are never lowered.
Records protect legacy.
Quality clears the path forward.
The final journey begins with protection.
Preservation begins before shipment.
Packaging reflects the value inside.
Precision continues to the final layer. Identity travels with every piece.
Order ensures safe transport. Stability protects the journey ahead.
Storage preserves perfection.
Accuracy governs logistics. Dispatch aligns with demand.
Value is handled with care. The journey is secured.
And this is how modern factories produce crocodile leather luxury bags from start to finish.
Precision defines every step within these walls.
Comment, share, and subscribe to see what's next.